Want to know how to make money on Pinterest with affiliate marketing, even if you don't have a blog? Keep watching. First things first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Now, affiliate marketing simply means to promote other people's products and services in exchange for a small affiliate commission. This means if you promote a product on Amazon and if you're a part of their affiliate marketing network, then you would stand to gain a commission each time someone buys a product from your affiliate link. The next question that you're probably wondering about is that does Pinterest really allow affiliate marketing? So the short answer to this question is that yes, Pinterest does allow affiliate marketing. However, there are some rules and regulations that you need to follow to ensure that you are not being blocked and suspended on Pinterest. What I mean by this is that even though Pinterest does allow affiliate marketing, not all affiliate networks are allowed to have direct links placed within the platform. This means that depending on the affiliate network that you're a part of or the products that you're promoting, as well as which country you're based in, it could really differ on whether or not you're able to use those links on Pinterest. So how do you actually promote affiliate products on Pinterest? Now, there are two main methods in which you can do it. The first method that I'm going to share with you is without a blog. So you don't really need a website or any kind of blog in order to start affiliate marketing on Pinterest using this method. This means that you can actually place direct links within the Pinterest platform and promote those directly to the products that you are an affiliate of. And each time someone buys those products, you tend to gain a commission. Now, this would really come down to the affiliate network that you're a part of. For example, Amazon doesn't really allow affiliate links on Pinterest when it comes to the US audience. However, it does allow direct affiliate links on Pinterest in some other countries. So the thing that you need to check here is whether or not the affiliate market that you want to represent allows these links on Pinterest or not, and whether or not your country has some specific requirements for affiliate marketing as well. Another popular affiliate platform such as ClickBank does allow links within Pinterest. However, not all links are allowed because that is very product dependent. Some products allow you to promote those products through social media links such as Pinterest, and some really don't. The key here is to really look into the product guidelines where you want to promote, look at the affiliate contract and see which platforms you can actually promote that product on, and see if Pinterest falls into one of those categories or not. So what exactly do you need to get started with affiliate marketing without a blog? Well, you're going to need two main things. The first thing that you need is an affiliate network. Now, an affiliate network is simply a marketplace where you can pick out products and services that you want to promote. Some examples of this include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, etc. And the second thing that you're going to need to start affiliate marketing on Pinterest is your own Pinterest account. All you got to do is head to the Pinterest website and sign up for a free account right away. So let's see exactly how this works in action. Now, as you can see, I'm logged into my ShareASale platform, which is an affiliate marketing network with multiple categories that you can find products and services in. Now, let's say that I want to join a certain category, so I can click through the category and figure out what are the merchants or companies that are promoting their products in this category. Let's say I want to join that category, then I'm going to go here and click on Join Program. I'm going to read the conditions related to that program, figure out whether or not I am eligible to apply for this program or not, and then see whether or not I want to join it. So as you can see here, they have different conditions based on different categories. Some of them will not really allow you to use all channels. So for example, you can see that there are some prohibited channels in this case as well. Once you've read through to the agreement, you can simply go down, fill up your details, and then click on Join this program if you've decided that this is the right fit for you. If not, then you can look around, browse through and see what are the programs that are going to be the right fit for you, your niche, and your business as well. Now, once you've joined the program, you can go on links and then you can go on get a link or banner, which is exactly where we are going to be picking up the links for Pinterest from. So in order to actually promote these links on Pinterest, you actually need to create a pin and upload that in this particular manner. So as you know from my other videos, you need to be making a vertical pin which has some kind of text on it as well as a small description, and then we are going to add a link here. So here is where we are going to add your affiliate marketing link for this particular tool. So as you can see, I'm promoting Tailwind here, which is a Pinterest marketing tool, and I have already created a description, a pin, as well as a pin title here. Now, before you add the link, you want to make sure that you add a certain number of hashtags which disclose that it is either an ad or an affiliate or it is a sponsored post, so that you meet the FTC guidelines. Now, you don't have to add all of these three hashtags. You can just add one of them, but make sure you do add one of them so that you're not going against the guidelines and your account doesn't get accidentally blocked. Now, finally, to save this pin and to actually save it to your boards and promote it on Pinterest, you want to pick out the link as well. So I'm going to scroll down and find my Tailwind link, click on Get Links, and then I'm going to look for a text-based link. Now, of course, there are different types of links that you can promote as well. There are videos that you can promote, banners, etc. But since I'm promoting this on Pinterest and it is going to be linked to a link, I actually want it to be just a text link. So I'm going to click here on Get the Code, and then I'm going to click on Select URL Only. I'm going to copy paste this. I'm going to add this here, and then once this is done, I'm going to select the right board for this and save my pin to that particular board. So let's say that I have a board on Pinterest marketing. I'm going to save this pin to that board because that is the most relevant board to be promoting this pin on. And once you hit publish, you'll be able to see it on your Pinterest profile and start making money from it already. Method number 2 for making money on Pinterest with affiliate marketing is with a website or a blog. Now keep in mind, some affiliate networks will only let you in if you have a website. This means that there is an entry barrier to joining that affiliate network. Now this again depends on which affiliate marketing network you want to join, which niche it is in, and which country it is in as well. So make sure to figure out exactly which affiliate networks you want to join, which products you want to promote, and what are the conditions that you need to meet to join these affiliate networks as well as start promoting their offers. Having tried both of these methods in the past, I have to say that the safest way for you to promote affiliate links on Pinterest is by having your own website. And the reason why I say this is because when you have a landing page on your website or on your blog, it is a safer link for Pinterest to promote versus promoting it directly to the products, because that can be banned or suspended depending on the policies that frequently change within Pinterest as well. If you're serious about making money on Pinterest with affiliate marketing, I would highly recommend looking into getting a website. Now moving back to affiliate marketing on Pinterest with a blog, the thing that you need to keep in mind here is that it doesn't really work as a direct link as it would in method number 1. So what you need to do here is to start creating specific blog posts which have affiliate links inside of them. Now these blog posts can be anything such as a how-to post, it can be a regular blog post of yours where you share content regarding a certain industry, it can be a tutorial post, for example if you're doing a product review, and it can be any number of posts which actually talk a little bit more about the product and explain exactly what it does. And what you will do here is that within these blog posts, you're going to embed your affiliate links, and then you're going to create pins on Pinterest, which is going to direct traffic to these particular blog posts. Now, there are multiple benefits to using method 2 versus method 1. The first benefit is that you have a higher rate of conversion when it comes to affiliate links, because people usually want to have some kind of pre-sale information instead of just buying the product directly, which means when you actually create helpful content which guides that consumer to figure out exactly how that product works and how that fits into their life, then you have a higher chance of converting them into a sale, which means you have a higher chance of making an affiliate commission on that product as well. Not to mention the obvious reason that more links are allowed when you use this method. When you use method number 1, not all direct links are going to be acceptable by Pinterest, either because of Pinterest policies or because of the affiliate network policies. However, when you use your own website, there's a high chance that pretty much all of your links, which are affiliate links, are going to be allowed, and you can drive traffic to them and convert them using Pinterest. Now, whether you decide to use method number 1 or method number 2, both of these methods actually require you to have a traffic strategy in place. Why? Because if you don't have an audience that is seeing these offers, whether they are direct offers directly sent to the product side or they're offers sent to your blog or website, you do need to have some sort of audience which is seeing those offers in order to actually have conversions. So that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments exactly which of these methods you're going to try. Make sure to give the video a like, hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications so that you can be notified of every new weekly video that I post here on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.